Guys, I have here a foot massager. You see my colleagues is using this one and it is connected direct to the battery. It is because the board of this one exploded. By accident, it was plugged to 220. Because of this, look, supposed to be it is 220, but actually this unit is 24 volts. So by accident, it was plugged to 220 and the board exploded. Okay, these two boards are from that massager. Foot massager. So our concern now is only this board. So I will show you why we remove this board and we try to run the unit on battery. It's because accidentally they plugged that unit into 220 volts AC, which is supposed to be 24 volts DC. So now the problem is, look at this. We have here busted component, diode, and at the back we have missing components, busted here, also here, and here. So let me scan the board and I will show to you. You see here, look at that. The component here is missing. It exploded already. Also here, also this one. See, and one more here. So we don't know if we can fix this one. There is a broken track also here. So let us check the components on the other side. Okay, so lead probe to ground. First thing is, let us check this MOSFET. Oh, wait guys, let me change the multimeter. Okay, let us use my favorite multimeter. So lead probe to ground. Look at that. This MOSFET is short. The other one. This one is okay. Let us check this regulator. Regulator is okay. This fuse. Fuse is okay. And let us check the components here down. This capacitor is okay. This one is okay. And how about this one? It's okay. Also, most probably this IC is not short, because this is one thing I'm worried. If this IC is defective, then we cannot fix it. So these missing components, we have to guess what is this, and we will check this capacitor also, what capacitor we can replace here, and at the same time this one here. So first thing, let us replace this shorted MOSFET. This is IRFB 3607. Okay, so let us check this. See guys, that MOSFET is short. So when I check the data sheet, let us put this MOSFET, and we will see. Guys, the pin of this one is short, so it cannot reach here. But anyway, let us leave it like that. So I have one concern here because this track is broken. See, I need to make a soldering in this pad connecting to this one. That's it. So let us clean this one. We will see if there is any see guys, it's not short, these two pins. So now this one, I think it's a bypass capacitor, so we will try to disregard this one. And also this one. we have here one diode that we need to, let us remove this one first. We will replace the diode that we remove here. Okay guys, now we have put the diode. Let us solder this one. Okay, that's it. So we remove the heatsink here because the legs of this MOSFET is short, but we will do something to fix that one after we test this board. Now our main concern is what is the component here. It could be a MOSFET or transistor, and we don't know if we can bypass the capacitor here and the other capacitor here because they are I think bypass capacitors. Okay, let's remove this one. So let us connect the power just to see, so that we can analyze what else the things we need in this board. Now this is the board again. I supply the board 12 volts, but actually this is 24 volts, but I only do this one just for the purpose of tracing the voltage. So here, this is the missing component, the capacitor. Now let us check how much voltage is here. So there is 5. There is 5. And the other capacitor here is this one. You will see how much voltage we have here. And we have 0. And this one, guys, is, so here we are having 0. Wait, okay, I don't know why. Now we will analyze that one later. My other concern is this component. Look at that. we will trace the voltage because we want to know what is this component. So first, let's check here. So here, look at that. It's moving. Just wait. We have to stop this from moving. Again. Five. So there is 5 volts there. Wait. So if this is the ground here, five volts, and this one also 5 volts here, and this one, oh, this is the ground, and this one, it's gone. Here, wait guys, so 5 volts, and here 5. Okay, let me off. There is a steady voltage here and this one, so most probably this one is ground, so we will check that one. Yes, you see in the multimeter it's showing that this is ground. So guys, I think we can bypass this capacitor and this one, and we need only to put a transistor here in this one. Okay, so we will try and let us see if it will work or no. Okay guys, as what I have told you, we are only guessing here. If it will work, it work. If not, let it be. So we will replace this component. We don't know what it's, and we don't know what it is. So see this, it's very small. I found this NPN transistor, and this is what I will put there based on how I analyze the circuit. We will try this one. If it will work, it work. If not, let it be. Okay, it's because the damage was too much when this unit was mistakenly plugged to 20 volts, and the exploded components, we don't know. We don't have the schematic diagram, and we are only guessing. Okay, that's it guys. Let's just fix the legs down here. So hopefully we are lucky today. Hopefully we are lucky. Okay, let us fix this one now. Oops. Okay, that's it guys. Let us clean this one. And we will see. Okay, so guys, that's it. We will try. As you can see here, we did not anymore put any component here because we don't know what is that capacitor, but this capacitor and this one here, I think they are filter capacitors, so we can bypass that one. We can ignore it. So I think we need to try. So let us see. Now guys, this is the board that we fix. So we will connect it to the unit now and we will test. So just let me finish connecting this board and after that we will test the unit. Now we connected it like this, but for now this one is outside because it is on the top cover, this board. So we will test the unit like this. So let me supply the power first. As what I have told you, they lost the 24 volts power supply for this one. So for now, I will provide the battery from here. Here. We will cut this one and we will connect a battery. Guys, this is the unit now. I transfer here in a good position. And see, the power is already connected. There is a light here. And let me turn on. Now it's working. Wait. See? Oh, very nice massage. Let us adjust the speed here. This one. Okay, that's it guys. And let me put the cover so that we will exactly see what is this unit. Okay guys, I put the cover now. So this is the unit, but I did not put the screw and the control is still here. So stop. difficult to take a video, guys, because I'm just holding this one and I have to bend. But as you can see, everything is working fine now, and the unit is fixed. It's a very good massage. It's a very nice feeling having this massage, foot massage. Okay, so that's it. Hope you like the video, and I hope you learned something. See you on the next video.